What is up, guys? Tonight we are going to be changing out the corner lights on my LX470. I really love the front fascia of this car. I think it's very elegant looking, and I think it's pretty cool for a car out of 1998 that come with projector sealed glass headlights, not plastic, glass. Corner lamps are plastic, but one of the things that does bother me is when you look at this from a side profile, is that the amber blades in the OEM corners makes this, it reminds me of a Ford Escape when I see it real quick. I had a friend that drove a Ford Escape for a long time, and it's just something about how this catches my eye real quick. That's what I think of every time. So I did a little searching for some clear corner lamps. I found these guys off of eBay. I think they're about 50 or 60 bucks shipped. It was actually the only set of clear corners I could find for the car, which so that's why I went with them. But I pulled one corner lamp out just so I knew what I was doing ahead of time. It's actually very simple, and I'm gonna show you guys how we do that in just a second. But I'm also gonna upgrade to these Philips little LED corner lamp bulbs. Focus. There we go. Corner lamp bulbs while we're in there, and we'll see how this upgrades or updates the look of the front of this car. So let's dive into it. All right, so to remove our corner lamp, we do the following. Where the headlight bolts to the body, over here behind the fender, we have a Phillips head screw that we're just gonna undo. So with that loose, this is just held in by a couple of clips now. As you can see, the whole assembly can move freely. So I'm gonna use a interior pry tool here, and I'm just gonna use a cloth. I'm gonna come underneath it here, and I'm gonna pull from the back and from the front, like that. And then that's it. And we can unplug like so. And the bulb just twists out. And we'll put our new LED bulbs in its place. These pull right out. And we're gonna plug the new one in, put it into the new housing, and then just reverse the install. All right, so here's a quick side-by-side stock versus clear. All right, boys, we are done. Here's the finished product. No more Ford Escape-y look going on here. Go ahead, buddy, flip that switch. Oh, I don't want to turn the rest of them on yet because they're all incandescent, so I have to get more bulbies now for the headlamps and the fogs. All right, go ahead, shut it off. So, I don't recommend these lights. They're garbage, and they fit like shit. I'm gonna show you the gap right here in the back. It's probably not gonna be very noticeable on camera, but I can almost get my pinky in here. And they did not bolt right in. I had to shave a lot of the plastics for the tabs down. Just fit like crap. So if you guys know where I can find a nice pair of clear corner lenses, please drop it below in the comments and I'll be sure to pick those up. But that's it for this one, guys. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you have any questions, feel free to drop it below and I'll do my best to answer you. As always, thank you for tuning in. Till next time, done.